Davito Romel.
Mapit na!
Love isn't about finding someone to live with. It's about finding someone you can live without.
Dito na extension. Para may lagay yung ilaw dito.
May apat pa tayong roses.
Nak, may apat pa.
Brother Noli Candano.
Si bro. Wait lang, be. Huwag mo siya iwan.
Bye-bye.
With every beat of my heart, Brother Noli Spell, I love you more than words can express as your brother.
May extension ba dito?
Now,
Asawa ni Ma'am Jen ba yan? Ito po. Ma'am Jen, ano ba sa pangalan ng asawa mo?
Ronel yan, Ronel. Mamaya pas, nag-ano pa ng ilaw. Sige, nililipat yung ilaw.
Meron doon.
Dito banda, dito dapat dito
Ano
nila.
pangalan nila, kuya?
Brother Rodel Maganoy.
Tatay. Sige, ipailawin mo muna yan. Pailawin mo muna yan. Pailawin mo. Madilim eh. Saksak mo muna yan.
Rodel Maganoy, please.
Ayan, nagkaroon pa ng ilaw pas eh. Teka lang pas. Saksak mo na. Yan yung nag-ano ng ilaw. Yung mga bata din lang naman. Yan.
In a world full of temporalities, you are my forever as a brother.
Tama na, sitin. Nakarahan. Sitin pa lang yun.
Alit niya pa dati. Wait lang, ate!
Saksak.
Pari kumakan ba? Ikot naman kayo. Hindi kayo umiikot. Amingaw. Oh, huwag mo siyang bitawan. Wala pa yung sa'yo. Wala pang ka. Yung kanina natin sa okay lang yan. Nakacycling naman.
Now, I would like to introduce to you the one and only one,
Tatoy.
the father of the birthday girl. Let's welcome
Joel Maglasa.
Joel Maglasa. Let's give them a round of applause.
Kamiyak! Kamiyak! Kaya! Ibuka mo yung ano niya. Ibuka mo yung
Mama! Not the phone!
Wait lang na yung bibidyo ko sa chin. Picture mo na, Chin. Chen! Chen! Picture mo na. Joel! Tingin mo na.
Nagana kayo! Nagana kayo! Mama!
Kulit lang. Hindi. Doon ka, doon ka. Doon ka. Saksakan na. Saksakan na.
Ilagay niya lang po sa gitna kasi sa sakit.
Nasa gitna pa siya. Umila na kasi malulubat na. Walang charger. Dito na, saksakan mo. Wala ba charger yan? Walang charger yan.
Anak na badunong dapat. Hilak niya eh.
Saksakan mo
Kami
yung
ba na
charger.
ako astig? Akala ko ba astig?
Tang charger. Charger gig.
Wala pa kung dalang charger.
Masayaw yan sila eh. Marami na.
From Papa Joel Magano, as I stand here tonight, watching you celebrate this incredible milestone, my heart is filled with so many emotions. As your father, from the moment you were born, you brought joy, love, and pride into my life in ways I could never have imagined. Today, as you turn 18, I see not only the young woman you become, but also the beautiful person you're destined to be. I've watched you grow, learn, and overcome challenges with grace and strength. It fills me with so much pride. I want you to know that no matter how old you get, you are my daughter. You are my love daughter. You will always be my little girl, and I will always be here for you, supporting and loving you every step of the way. As you begin this new chapter, my hope for you is a simple, that you continue to chase your dreams with courage, never lose your kind heart, and always remember how much you are loved from your father. Now, let's proceed. For the next, we proceed to the 18 candles ceremony and the start. Each candle